Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily recover your Brawl Stars without your Supercell ID. First of all, you can either do it via your Brawl Stars application, but if you want the easier way, here is a shortcut. So simply head over to your browser and search for Contact Brawl Stars Support. You will see Contact Form under Supercell. So simply tap onto it, and it will ask you if you have a Supercell ID, please log in first. In case we are trying to get access to our Brawl Stars without our Supercell ID, so simply tap on continue without logging in. Under category, tap on something else, and it says for help with a lost account or Supercell ID, please get in touch with us through the game from any account. Now in here, simply type in your player tag, for example, hashtag ABC123 or your account name. Once done, make sure that you type in your email address correctly that is linked with your Brawl Stars account. Once done, type in your message. Under your message, be very specific that you have lost the access for your Brawl Stars account and that account was not connected to any Supercell ID. Go ahead, do that, select I'm not a bot, then tap on submit. Once you have submitted the form, they will get back to you via the email address that you have left, and then simply follow the on-screen prompt in order to get your problem fixed. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.